Today I am reviewing the MSI Titan 18HX AI gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the specs because this machine is not for casual gamers or light users. This is the A2XWJG-614US model, and it's loaded with some of the most powerful hardware available on the market right now. We're talking about an Intel Ultra-Core i9-285HX processor, part of Intel's elite HX series, built to deliver uncompromising performance, whether you're gaming, editing 8K videos, rendering 3D models, or even training AI models. Paired with that, we have the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 GPU, currently the most powerful graphics card in a laptop. This means you can max out settings in any modern AAA title, from Cyberpunk 2077 to Microsoft Flight Simulator, with real-time ray tracing, DLSS 3.5, and mind-blowing frame rates. If you're a competitive gamer, a streamer, or a creative pro who demands raw graphical horsepower, this is the mobile rig you've been waiting for. Now let's talk about the display, and honestly, it's nothing short of stunning. This Titan features a massive 18-inch UHD plus MiniLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The color accuracy is excellent, brightness levels are intense, and HDR content looks absolutely breathtaking. The 120Hz refresh rate adds a smooth, fluid feel whether you're gaming, editing, or just browsing the web. It's the kind of screen that makes you stop and stare. For memory and storage, MSI goes above and beyond. You get a jaw-dropping 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, ensuring zero bottlenecks even under heavy multitasking or virtual machine use. Whether you're running multiple 4K monitors, streaming, recording, and gaming all at once, the system keeps up effortlessly. And for storage, a massive 6 TB of NVMe SSD storage. That's enough space for hundreds of games, tons of 4K video footage, and all your creative projects. Plus, the blazing fast read and write speeds mean zero lag during file transfers or game loading. Let's not forget the build quality. The MSI Titan 18HX isn't just powerful, it's also beautifully engineered. The all-black design is sleek, futuristic, and aggressive without being over the top. The mechanical per-key RGB backlit keyboard, powered by SteelSeries, offers a tactile feel that gamers will absolutely love. And it even features a fingerprint reader for added security, which is a great touch for professionals and creators. When it comes to connectivity, this laptop doesn't cut corners either. It includes Thunderbolt 5, Wi-Fi 7, and a wide range of I/O ports to handle everything from external GPUs to multi-monitor setups. Whether you're docking this into a full workstation or carrying it into a tournament, you'll have the bandwidth and speed you need. The audio quality is also top tier. The Titan comes with high-res audio and Dynaudio-tuned speakers that deliver loud, crisp, and immersive sound. So if you don't have headphones on hand, you're still getting a rich, cinematic experience. The laptop runs on Windows 11 Pro, giving you full control over productivity, gaming, and security features. It's optimized for creators, business users, and of course, hardcore gamers. Everything feels fast, fluid, and intuitive right out of the box. Now, is this machine for everyone? Probably not. With top-tier specs and cutting-edge features, this is a premium device with a premium price tag. But if you want the absolute best-in-class gaming and productivity laptop, the MSI Titan 18HX AI is unmatched. It's a desktop replacement that doesn't compromise, perfect for streamers, developers, content creators, and esports professionals.